become Veer because he's done a Veer job in none other than Skyfox. When you were entering the industry, did you ever face that thing कि जहाँ पे you were rejected on just the basis of thinking कि no, you're not matching the look of this character? ऐसा कभी rejection हुआ है?
मेरी pursuit हमेशा ये थी कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है.
What is that one dream film that you're manifesting or a filmmaker? Losing.
Oh my god. Oh my god, losing क्या picture में?
अच्छा. Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with that person जिन्होंने हमें सबको surprise कर दिया है, shock कर दिया है. Like his name, he's become Veer because he's done a Veer job in none other than Skyfox. Well, I'm talking about the one and only Veer Paharia and I'm very happy to have him on Pop Diaries with me. Welcome, Veer.
Thank you so much, Manjari. Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Firstly, I have to tell you that it was really a surprise when I went to watch Skyforce and I was sitting there and I was like, हाँ ठीक है, debut है. I mean, sure, he's doing his debut and everything, but I did not expect much. I'll be very honest with you. Because there was Akshay Kumar sir in it. So and I'm a big fan of him. So I was going primarily because of that. But it was very surprising. You made a mark for yourself. And I understand that the role was so beautiful in itself, but oh my god, the emotions, the expressions, Veer, you were just absolutely point. And I want to know that जब पहली बार ये मूवी सिलेक्ट की, ये रोल सिलेक्ट किया, किसी को भी नॉर्मली हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि dude, I'm doing this with Akshay Kumar sir. I'm trying to make a mark with a star. There is a chance of being overshadowed. Did you ever have that fear in you?
How can I think like that? You know, he's so legendary. और हमने बचपन से हम अक्षय कुमार सर की पिक्चरें देखते आ रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
तो ऐसा मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मैं उनकी फिल्म में एक हिस्सा हूँ. और हाँ, ये एक कमाल की फिल्म है और सबको बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है कि इस फिल्म का हम हिस्सा बने. और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इट गॉट रिसीव्ड वेल. आई गॉट एक्सेप्टेड फॉर माई परफॉर्मेंस एंड या दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू से.
Okay, but you know, when we are shifting towards this acting, how did this acting ka keeda bite you? Like, kahan se aaya? Like, you wanted to do acting only? Like, were you always inclined towards performing arts in childhood as well?
So I think I was 4 or 5 when my mom put me in Shamak Davar's dance classes. And yeah, तो बचपन में एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था स्टेज पे उतर के परफॉर्म करने का पेरेंट्स और फ्रेंड्स के सामने. फिर मैंने तभी कुछ एड्स किए थे एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट और हमेशा एक लगाव रहा है कला की तरफ. तो मैं लिखता था, बहुत मैं म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाता था, स्टेज पे ड्रामेटिक्स करता था स्कूल में. फिर स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज में मैं थोड़ा म्यूज़िकली इंक्लाइन था. यूट्यूब चैनल था मेरा, तो वैसे एक मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया था कैमरा के सामने. तो एक ऑडियंस बन गई थी और आई यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेज फेस्टिवल्स. एंड देन करके फिर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग इट प्रोफेशनली. मैंने बहुत सालों के लिए एडी किया है, यू नो, प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन में काम किया है, कॉस्ट्यूम्स में काम किया है. तो आई हैव वर्कड फॉर लाइक अ डेकेड.
He's done everything. I think you've done सारी फील्ड में चले गए हो.
मतलब इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिल्म या मुझे मेरे हमेशा एक ये थी कि आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस थिंग कि आई वांटेड टू लर्न एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. तो हाँ, उसके लिए आई लर्नड इट ऑल एंड देन या आई टू ऑडिशन इन द साइड.
But you know what, now that you're saying this, you know, my thinking, and when I talk to other people, I am the only person over here in my whole family, okay, they are all engineers and doctors. तो मेरे फैमिली में से मैं ही हूँ जो मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में है. So they keep asking me कि 90s में ना एक stereotypical हीरो का एक वो होता था. And they used to be boxed in that kind of categories only. Looks check, physique check हो जाता था, character check हो जाता था, all green flag energy होता था. But अभी, you know, now the whole thing has changed a lot.
So मैं red flag हूँ?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. But I want to know that now that the whole vanity, looks and all these things have changed a lot from the past few years, when you were entering the industry, did you ever face that thing कि जहाँ पे you were rejected on just the basis of thinking कि no, you're not matching the look of this character? ऐसा कभी rejection हुआ है?
See, generally now I'll tell you what happened. See, I know myself and what my strengths and my weaknesses are. So I always played on my strengths. And for me it was always कि एक अच्छा character करने का मौका मिले. And I want to be remembered for the characters. I don't want to be stereotyped as one thing. तो जो स्काईफोर्स पे मेरा लुक है उसके पे मैंने काम किया है. अभी मैंने प्रमोशंस के लिए मैंने मूंछ रखी थी, वही बाल रखे थे, तो एक वैसा लगा नहीं कि मैं ज़्यादा दूर था किरदार से. पर नाउ आई एम लाइक आई एम ड्रेसिंग डिफरेंटली, आई एम फीलिंग डिफरेंट, सो दैट आई रियलाइज़ कि मैंने क्या क्या किया था टू गेट इनटू दैट जोन. तो हाँ, अभी जो मेरी नेक्स्ट आएगी उसमें मैं कुछ और करूँगा, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट आएगी कुछ और करूँगा. तो हाँ, मेरी परस्यूट हमेशा ये थी कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है.
Right.
हाँ.
And I think that is a great thing because we need more actors who are ready to go out there and risk it all
Yeah.
for the characters that they're living.
Yeah.
And I think you lived it very beautifully on screen. Veer.
Thank you so
So thank you for giving that character to us, and thank you for the film as well because it was a very beautiful film.
For that you have to thank Mad Dog Films.
Thanks to them.
Okay.
But thank you to you also. You were a part of it. So
Yeah.
एक ही साल जा रहा है. चलो अच्छा, ठीक. You know, when I sit down and I do these interviews, sometimes you know वो एक दो बीच में ऐसे कभी कभार कुछ हो जाता है जहाँ पे अगर कोई statements मेरी तरफ आती हैं तो वो कभी कभार ना मुझे चुभ जाती है. It's like I become a little sensitive towards hurtful comments sometimes. But for a very long time, I have been seeing that you have been very, very sporting.
Yeah.
Very sporting towards trolls, towards comments, and some of them were just completely unnecessary. Like especially the one I would be very, very honest and tell you that, you know, PR को लेकर जो बोल रहे हैं. And I just have to say, if someone is getting a debut, obviously they will work on themselves. Obviously they want to get more work out there.
Yeah.
And obviously if they have done a very good job in a very successful film that is being loved by everyone across the country, then it is just, I mean, why shouldn't they flaunt it? Why shouldn't they talk about it more? And it's just obvious that they will do that. But I want to know, as a person, I feel hurt when somebody throws me any hurtful comments. Do you, as a human being, at the end of the day, we are all humans. Do you, as a human being, don't feel it's unfair and it's unjust that you are being targeted in this way?
On the 5th of Jan, my trailer came out, and a journalist who was doing the question answers didn't know my name. So from that day to today, now I don't think anybody will not know my name.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I think every newcomer, every debutant has a wish. सबसे पहले तो they get accepted, and secondly that they get remembered for their debut. So good, bad, ugly, I'm happy with everything. It is because of that people know who I am. Because it's not like media was interested in my life since I was a kid. It's not like I have a famous father actor or famous mother actor who I look like. Generally what happens is, as an audience, if we are looking at a certain actor for 20-30 years and then I happen to look like them, then you already adjusted to the face. So it's easier to accept. But a new face, if you look at history, it's little new, right? It's little more challenging than an established face. So I'm very happy. Like today, when people know who I am, I'm getting so much work. In the last 1 week, I've been going to weddings, doing the step with the bride and groom, and
That's a very good hook start, though, I have
Then-
to say.
who knew this, yaar? Who knew 1 month back who I was? Today, all the good, the love is overpowering everything.
That is so sweet.
But yeah, and wherever I've gone to watch movies, the movie has touched them, the character has touched them. What do I care about the hate? I'm keeping them entertained. They know who I am.
That's all that matters at the end of the
The-
day. Wow, that is a very good outlook. You have so many friends in the industry as well, you know. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कहीं पे भी जाओ लेकिन still there is that one star or there is that one person who gives you that starstruck वाली feeling, you know. उनको देख के उनका aura देख कर ऐसा लगे कि यार देखते ही रहे, उनको देखते ही रहे. ऐसा energy किसने कभी दिया है?
हाँ, I think Mr. Salman Khan.
Wow, दबंग energy.
हाँ, दबंग.
Okay,
जी.
cool.
मैं बिग बॉस भी गया था ना उनके साथ.
That's true. I saw you.
तो yeah, he's the best. He's
That
he's
is
the
hands down true. He is.
he has the biggest heart and he's the most secure superstar. and yeah, there's nobody like him.
Absolutely. There's no doubt about that. But lastly, I want to ask you, in the future, what are you manifesting? Like that one film that you... सब लोग कुछ manifest करते रहे. What is that one dream film that you're manifesting? Or a filmmaker?
I don't want to share really about my dream film or filmmaker because I have this thing where I manifest. I always manifested कि मुझे एक फौजी का रोल करना था अपनी पहली पिक्चर में.
That
और
is so cool.
हाँ.
Oh my god.
जी, मुझे बाइक पे एंट्री करनी थी. पहले तो I
Oh
think
my
it was not
God.
supposed to be a bike. I was supposed to enter in the cockpit. Then I think they said that something happened in the script level, and then they introduced me on the bike with the cigarette in my mouth.
Oh my god. That was a good entry though. I
Yeah.
have to tell you. I forgot to tell you about the entry. It was really kadak.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so now I'm gonna play a 5-second challenge with you.
Okay.
And please understand there's only 5 seconds. And if you are right in most of them,
What
I have
do I
gifts
get?
for you.
What do I get? What do I get?
I have
This
gifts. You have gifts.
thermos.
Thermos नहीं है.
क्या है ये?
Insulated tumbler है.
तो वही हुआ ना?
थर्मस नहीं होता वो. स्टाइल है उसमें. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool. 4 Akshay Kumar movies with social message. In your
Padman, Toilet, Skyforce. Skyforce has a social. And
losing.
oh my god.
Cha.
Oh my god, losing क्या picture में?
अच्छा. Okay, 3 movies in which Shah Rukh Khan dies at the end. This should be easy.
Not end, middle भी मर सकता है ना?
हाँ,
ओम शांति ओम.
Okay.
डर. I don't know.
Bazigar.
बाजीगर.
Okay. 3 Bollywood actresses whose debut was with Salman Khan.
Okay. साई मंजरेकर,
Okay.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा,
Okay.
कटरीना कैफ.
He's true fan of Salman.
But Katrina Kaif, no, it's not. It was Boom.
Oh yes. Shit.
I lost.
God. Yeah. 2 गए हाँ. Okay. Now this one you get right. Come on. Translate this English lyrics. We will take the rulers of heart will take the bride away.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. Right?
Yes. 2 real life couple who were real life couple for movies.
Sid Kiara.
Wow.
Right?
Yes. Another one. ये तो बहुत famous है.
Abhishek Aishwarya.
Yes.
And who else? What?
Yesh Desh.
Janelia. Yeah.
Chalo. You were still getting it.
Yeah, I got most of it, no? I right?
Yeah, absolutely. You got all of it, I think. Just 2. So, what I am giving you is, तो मैंने बहुत सोचा कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा देना है जो काम में भी आए, but also something really cool and
Okay.
hip. So, I personally love this brand a lot. It's called House of Quark and they have this insulated tumbler.
Oh, wow.
I have one of this myself and it's really cool.
Bartley Award.
And also, there's a second favorite product and that is this aromatherapy humidifier.
Okay.
So, I am actually a little, air ko lekar I kind of get very sensitive about air.
understand, yeah.
The air around me has to be clean and everything, pata nahi kyun.
नहीं जरूरी है सबके लिए.
Exactly. So, that is why I got this for you.
Oh, thank you so much. So thoughtful.
It's also aromatherapy, so you can put in a little bit of aroma, essential oil, and you can just have good, refreshing air to breathe in. And it's
Fab.
portable. Both of them.
Lovely, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manjari.